Hello, I'm Deborah Baker with Trusted CISO, and today I'm welcoming you to my CISO Guide to Cyber Resilience video course. I have over 25 years of experience in information security, starting out in the U.S. Air Force doing networking, moved to IBM and then Cisco, and my career has gone from being a PKI expert through compliance. I'm excited to guide you through this comprehensive journey towards enhancing your organization's cyber resilience. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, cyber threats are more sophisticated and pervasive than ever. As Chief Information Security officers and IT professionals, it is our responsibility to ensure that our organizations can anticipate, withstand, and recover from these threats. This course is designed to provide you with the strategies, knowledge, and practical skills needed to build and maintain a resilient cybersecurity posture. Whether you're new to the field or a seasoned professional, this course will equip you with the tools to protect your organization's most valuable assets. Now, in Big Breaches, Cybersecurity Lessons for Everyone, Dr. Neil Daswani did data analytics on almost every single data breach. He would say every single one, but you can't actually capture every single one. But of the majority, 98% of data breaches, he was able to run data analytics. And what he discovered is that all data breaches, the root causes go down to these specific 6 areas. Dr. Neil Daswani, a renowned cybersecurity expert at Stanford, has extensively studied major breaches to identify common vulnerabilities and threats. His findings highlight the recurring root causes behind almost every data breach. Let's explore these root causes and understand how they impact our security posture. First, unencrypted data. Data encryption is crucial in protecting sensitive data. When data is not encrypted, it becomes an easy target for cyber criminals, leading to severe breaches and data leaks. Phishing email attacks remain one of the most effective tools for cyber criminals. These attacks trick individuals into revealing confidential information or deploying malware, compromising the entire organization's security. Malware is another prevalent threat. Once inside a network, malware can steal data, disrupt operations, and even hold systems hostage for ransom. Ensuring robust anti-malware defenses is critical to prevent such attacks. Third-party vendor compromise is a growing concern. Organizations often rely on vendors for various services, but these relationships can introduce vulnerabilities if the vendor's security practices are not stringent. Software vulnerabilities are exploitable weaknesses in applications or systems. Regular updates and patches are essential to mitigate these vulnerabilities and protect against exploits. Finally, unintended misconfigurations can open doors for attackers. Proper configuration management and regular audits are necessary to ensure that security settings are correctly implemented and maintained. So you may be wondering what the root causes of a data breach has to do with CISO Guide to Cyber Resilience. Well, in the CISO Guide to Cyber Resilience, I actually step you through in a practical manner of what you need to do to create and build a cyber resilient security program that will defend your organization against the root causes of these data breaches. In my CISO Guide to Cyber Resilience course, we'll dive deeper into these root causes and provide a comprehensive roadmap to develop a resilient security program. You'll learn how to identify vulnerabilities, implement effective security measures, and create a proactive defense strategy. The importance of cyber resilience and its role in modern organizations, how to develop and implement robust security policies, techniques for securing endpoints and safeguarding sensitive data, strategies for fostering a security-aware culture within your organization, advanced threat management practices, and the role of AI in cybersecurity. And finally, methods for continuous improvement and monitoring to ensure ongoing compliance and security. The course is structured into 13 sections, each focusing on a specific aspect of cyber resilience, from identifying and authenticating users to leveraging AI for enhanced security. We will cover both foundational concepts and advanced techniques, providing you with a holistic view of cybersecurity best practices. And of course, I highly recommend that you buy the book CISO Guide to Cyber Resilience to refer to during the course and thereafter to help you while you're building your cyber resilient security program. Now, let's get started.